May I know your full name, please?
Yes, my full name is Suma Islami.
Where are you from?
I'm from Dhaka.
Okay, who do you live with?
I live with my family members. In my family, we have 4 family members: me, my mom, my dad, and my big brother.
Okay, what do you do usually at your home?
In my free time, I read different types of stories book or I watch K-dramas. That's it.
Why are you learning English?
For improving my English language skill, or another reason is I want to go to the Japan because it is my dream. That's why I'm learning English.
Who inspired you to learn English?
Inspire my big brother.
What sort of food do you like to eat and why?
I like to eat biryani because it is my favorite food, and my mom always make best biryani. That's why.
Do you like taking photos? Why not?
I don't like to take too much photos because it is feel me uncomfortable. That's why.
What type of clothes do you like to wear and why?
I like to wear traditional dress like three-piece, shari or sharara. That's it.
Thank you very much.